In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and SwiftKey Keyboard. Finally, select Themes section next to Languages. And in order to change your theme, click on Yours or Gallery and tap on the best one for you. In my case, maybe high contrast one. So when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to customize it, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and selecting Custom next to yours on the right. Now click on Start, select Add Image, and pick one of those sources, images or photos. I will go with images, I have to click, and then select my new keyboard's background. I will go with this photo. Now you can pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and even adjust background darkness by swiping left or right on this slider. When you finished, tap on Done at the bottom. Now manage key borders and symbols thanks to those two switchers. And when you're ready, tap on Done at the top right corner. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!